Good day, grade ones. Today's topic in maths is on patterns, functions, and algebra. And we are going to learn about number patterns. We are going to learn how to continue with a pattern, with a number pattern. For example, here we have continue the pattern to 12. So we are going to make use of this number chart to solve the problems. Number one, it says continue the pattern to 12 and it's starting from 5. So we are going to look at our number chart and see where 5 is. From 5 we go on to 6. From 6 to 7. This shows us that we are counting in ones. So we are just going to continue with the numbers from 7. From 7 we go on to 8. So which means our next number is 8. From 8 to 9. From 9 to 10. From 10 to 11. Then from 11 to 12. We are going to stop at 12 because they said we must continue from 5 to 12. Now let's go on to the next example. It says continue the pattern to 10. So we are going to look at the first number. The first number is 20 and the next number is 18. It shows us that we are moving, going backwards. We are not going, we are going back. Okay, example 2 is showing us that we are counting going backwards, not forward. So if we start from 18 and we are also counting in twos. Counting in twos, it means we are going to add 2 numbers or to remove 2 numbers. So from 20 we are going to remove 2 numbers. We will go to our number chart and look for 20. Here is our 20. So we are going to remove 2 numbers from 20. We go to 19 and 18. It means our next number is 18. Then from 18 we are going to remove 2 numbers. 1, 2. Our next number is 16. From 16 we are going to remove 2 numbers again. 1, 2. So it means that the next number is 14. Now from 14 we remove 2 numbers. 1, 2. The next number is 12. And from 12 we are going to remove 2 numbers. The pattern is removing 2. So let's remove 2 numbers. 1, 2. The next number is 10. And we are going to stop at 10 because the pattern says we must continue the pattern to 10. So we must stop at number 10. Now let's go on to today's exercise. Let's solve number 1 together. Number 1A says continue the pattern to 20. Now, if we look to this pattern, it shows us that we are counting in twos. There are different ways of counting. We can count in ones, we can count in twos, we can count in threes, fours, fives, depending on what the pattern is asking you to do. So number 1A, continue the pattern to 20. We start from 2. From 2, we go on to 4. It means we are adding 2. We are adding 2. So we start from 2. Here is our 2. We add 2 numbers from 2. 1, 2. Our next number is 4. Then from 4 we add 2. 1, 2. Our next number is 6. From 2 let's add 2. From 6 let's add 2. 1, 2. The next number is 8. Now let's add 2 again. 1, 2. It means that our next number here is 10. Then from 10 we are going to add 2. 1. From 10 we add 2. 1, 2. Our next number is 12. Then from 12 1, 2. The next number is 14. From 14, 1, 2. We go on to 16. Then from 16, 1, 2. Our next number is 18. Then from 18, we count 2 again. 1, 2. Our last number is 20. Okay, let's solve B together. B says continue the pattern to 50. Now let's look at the numbers. You must look at the first number and the second number. That's how you will see how the pattern is going. Now from 10 we go on to 20. It shows us that we are counting in tens. Counting in tens, it means that we are adding 10. So we are going to start from 10 and count 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means the next number is 20. Then from 20, let's count 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our next number is 30. From 30, let's count 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our next number is 40. Then from 40, we are going to count 10 more, to add 10 more numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means that our last number is 50, because we are continuing with the pattern from 10 to 50. So grade 1, I want you to continue with C and D. Can you look for the missing numbers? I want you to fill in the missing numbers on C and D. You are going to make use of the number chart. I want you to use the number chart to find the answers. So that is all for today, grade 1s in maths. Can you please work on this exercise and try to find correct answers? Thank you, grade 1s.